Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky, and in today's video we're going to be heading to the Ladybug dimension. That's right guys, and hopefully we will be kicking some baddies' butts, guys. But what you guys are going to need to head to this dimension for yourself is you're going to need 10 red wool. You want to go ahead and place 2 of them just like that, guys. Then you're going to need fur black wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side of the red wool. Now after you have this built, make sure it looks exactly like this. You just want to go ahead and take some red wool, jump on up, guys. Oh my god, I jumped over. Take your red wool and place 1, 2, 3, and then take 1 black wool, place it on top, and now you just want to go jump on down. Ow, that really hurt, guys. That really hurt a lot. Now you just want to go and place 3 red wool on this side, then 1 black wool on top, and then 2 red wool in the middle, guys. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down, guys. Ow, that really hurt. That really hurt a lot. And now you just want to go ahead, after you have it looking like this, absolutely amazing, you just want to go ahead and take your flint and steel and light this baby up. Boom! Wow, guys, that does look amazing. Now it's time to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, guys, because I really love it when you hit that thumbs up button. And it's also time to head into this dimension, guys. Whoa! Oh my god, guys, where are we at? Wow, this is like some kind of like ladybug enchanted forest or something, guys. Wow, this is amazing. And oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, guys, this is like a free house. Whoa, I know a guy that would love this. I know a guy that would love this a lot. My pig. That's right, guys. My pig absolutely loves free houses. Don't you, pig? Yeah, he does, guys. He really does. But wow, guys, this place is amazing. This is like absolutely epic, guys. Like how they have all these houses and all these props, and it's just, it's insane, guys. It's really insane. And oh my god, what is this? This is obviously Ladybug's like little harvest over here, guys. This is obviously where she puts all of her props, so then she can come back, harvest, and eat, guys. Maybe she also feeds the animals. This is the love boat, guys. This is obviously, you know, she made that just to take me on it, guys, because she obviously loves me a lot, and she also probably wants to make me her sidekick. I'm really hoping that she does. But first, we gotta find her, guys. Where is she at? Is she? She's definitely not in that house. That's a pretty small house, guys. Is she inside this house? This looks like it could definitely be her house, but she's still not in there, guys. We gotta find her. We gotta become her sidekick, guys. We gotta get her trust, and then we gotta become her sidekick, and then we gotta become her boyfriend. Because that's the only way, guys. Oh my god, right here she is. Whoa, how's it going, Ladybug? How's it going? Why are you running from me? What? Do you not like boys? What's going on here? What? She obviously don't like me, guys, and she obviously don't want me to be her sidekick, guys. Wow, I cannot believe that. What's up with that thing over your head? It's like an emerald? Why do you have an emerald over your head? That's pretty crazy, guys. And oh, now you're going to start dancing for me? Ooh, shake it. Shake it. Get the spin. Get the spin. Ooh, look at her spinning, guys. Ooh, look at that. But you know what, guys? If I want to become her sidekick and then her boyfriend, I'm going to have to prove myself, guys. So I'm going to have to blow up her hole first, guys. And then hopefully she will accept me as her boyfriend. Or maybe she'll just think I'm a villain and kick my butt and like kick all my teeth out of my mouth or something, guys. Because, you know, that's probably what's going to end up happening. So let's go ahead. Let's blow this up, guys. Hopefully she does not kill me. Hopefully she does not kill me after this experience. Hopefully she's just like, you know, you was so cool by blowing up all that TNT. Now I want you to be my sidekick and my boyfriend. Where'd she go? Oh my god, did she disappear, guys? You know what? I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to blow up the TNT, guys. I'm just going to go ahead, blow the TNT up, and then I'm going to try to find her, guys, because she must have just left because she got so angry, guys. Or maybe she left because she was so happy she wants to bring back more people to see. I don't know, but let's go ahead and do this. Oh my god, did you guys see how far I went flying up into the air? Whoa, that was amazing, guys. That was an amazing explosion. But whoa, where is she? Where's the love of my life? Did she really leave, guys? She must have had to go and fight some crime or something, guys. And that's obviously why she left. That is obviously why she left, guys. And no, she's not back in her prime or anything. So we're okay with that. We still have a chance of being her sidekick and her boyfriend. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Wow, that was the longest bye ever.